Hey, what's up everyone? Danny here. Today we're gonna train shoulders and abdominals, but first we're gonna use a technique called the pre-exhaust method. And what is that? Basically, it's using the compound movements, such as the presses, the barbell presses, after you've pre-exhausted your shoulders. So the way to do this is we're gonna use dumbbells. I'm gonna pre-exhaust our shoulder area by sending blood flow there to get a better pump. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna do today is gonna use the rear delts, which are gonna be trained and fired up first. So it's gonna be the bent over dumbbell lateral. And then we're gonna do a triple drop set of side laterals. And that's gonna get your shoulders on fire. Then we start the workout by doing our presses, and we're gonna add in some upright rows. I love that exercise. So that's basically it. The pre-exhaust system is a good way to do it if you want a change of pace into your workouts, and that same method could be used for any muscle group whatsoever. All right, so basically start off with some isolation movements and then finish off with your basic compound movements afterwards, because usually we do the opposite. We always want to use our strength for pressing movements, and we'll finish off with accessory exercises. But the pre-exhaust will do the opposite. We'll start off with all the isolation stuff, and then you can have the help of your triceps when you do your presses because your shoulders are already burning. All right, so let's get started. Shoulders on the menu, and then let's throw in some abs. Let's do it. All right, so there you have it, guys. That's a shoulder workout today using the pre-exhaust method. Try it out next time you hit the gym. If you have some weights at home, guys, this is a perfect way to train if you don't have heavy dumbbells and heavy barbells. Use the small, lighter weights that you have at your disposal and use the pre-exhaustive method for any type of exercises. Use isolation first and then the more compound basic movements afterwards, all right? So guys, we hope you enjoyed this type of video. Catch you in the next one. Take care.